नमो नमः। महाकविना कालिदासेन विरचितस्य रघुवंशमहाकाव्यस्य त्रयोदशे कथाभागे सर्वेषां स्वागतम्। नमो नमः। Welcome to the 13th episode of Raghuvamsham, written by Mahakavi Kalidasa. धर्मलोपभयाद्राज्ञीं ऋतुस्नाताम् अनुस्मरन् प्रदक्षिणक्रियार्हायां तस्यां त्वं साधुनाचरः. Thinking about the queen who had taken bath after menstruation, being afraid of violating sacred dharma, you did not act properly towards her, Surabhi, who deserves to be circumambulated. Previous shloka we saw that Surabhi, Kamadhenu, was sitting under the tree when King Dileep was coming from heaven towards earth. And what King Dileep did that time? Ritusnatam Ragnim Dharmalopa Bhayat Anusmaran. He was lost in his thoughts. His wife, this Queen Sudakshina, had Ritu is the menstruation. So Ritusnatam, she had just taken her bath after menstruation. Ritusnatam Ragnim Dharmalopa Bhayat Anusmaran. And King Dileep was lost in thoughts of whether I can meet her, if meeting her will violate dharma, or if meeting her now will not violate dharma. Like this thoughts, he was lost in his thoughts. And Pradakshina Kriyarhayam Tasyam Tvam Sadhu Na Achara. And you did not pay your respect to Surabhi, who deserves respect. But you did not pay because you were lost in some other thought. Avajanasi mam yasmad atastena bhavishyati matprasuti manaradhya prajeti tvam shashapasa. And thus she cursed you. Since you have disrespected me, you will not get a progeny unless you worship my daughter. So King Dileep did not pay his respect to the cow. So what did the cow do? Avajanasi mam yasmat. Because you did not respect me, mat prasutim anaradhya, without worshipping my daughter, te is tava, your te praja na bhavishyati, you will not beget a progeny. Iti, like this, sa shashapa, she cursed you. And who is Nandini's, and who is Surabhi's daughter? Surabhi's daughter is Nandini. Sashapo na tvaya rajan na cha sarathina shrutah nadatyakasha gangaya srotas yuddhama diggaje. The curse was neither heard by you nor by your charioteer, because the celestial Ganges was in tumultuous uproar due to the elephants of the heavens sporting violently. Further, Guru Vasishtha continues, Saha Shapaha, that curse, Tvaya na shrutaha, you did not hear that. Sarathina cha na shrutaha, your chariot also, it was not heard by your chariot also. Why it was not heard by the King Dileep or by his charioteer? Akasha Ganga Yaha. Akasha Ganga is this celestial Ganges, but it refers to the Milky Way galaxy. Akasha Ganga Yaha. Uddhama Diggaje Akasha Ganga Yaha. So Diggajas are the 8 elephants, 8 celestial elephants which are kept for defense on 8 directions of the heaven. Each elephant protects one particular direction. I will after explaining this verse, I will give the details of which elephant governs which direction. So these Diggajas, they were sporting violently, and because of that, Akasha Gangayaha Srotasi Nadati, because of that huge sound in that pravaha of this Akasha Ganga, because of that huge noise, you also didn't hear the curse. Your charioteer also did not hear the curse given by Surabhi. The east direction is guarded by Airavataha, who is Indra's elephant. The southeast direction is guarded by Pundarikaha, who is Agni's elephant. The south direction is guarded by Vamanaha, who is Yama's elephant. The southwest direction is guarded by Kumudaha, who is Surya's elephant. The west direction is guarded by Anjanaha, who is Varuna's elephant. The northwest direction is guarded by Pushpadantaha, who is Vayu's elephant. The north direction is guarded by Sarvabhaumaha, who is Kubera's elephant, and the northeast direction is governed by Supratikaha, who is Soma's elephant. Ipsitam tadavajnanadvidhi sargalamatmanah pratibadhnati hi shreyah pojya vyatikramaha. Know that fulfillment of your desire is obstructed due to disregarding Surabhi. Omission of honor to those who deserve to be honored obstructs one's welfare. This is a beautiful verse which contains a strong message for all of us. Guru Vasishtha says, Tat avajnanat, because of that disrespect. Disrespect to whom? Disrespect was done to the cow Surabhi. Because of that, Atmanaha ipsitam, your self-desire, what is your own desire, sargalam, it is being obstructed. Vidhi, know that. Puja vyatikramaha, by not respecting. Pujas are those who deserve respect. Puja vyatikramaha is not giving the respect. Puja vyatikramaha shreyaha pratibadhnati. But if we do not respect people, or it could be even animals which deserve respect, then our own welfare, our own progress will get obstructed. Such a powerful message, and I feel everybody deserves respect. So in this verse, it's the previous verse told that King Dileep did not respect the cow. So even animals deserve respect. Everybody deserves respect. So when we do not respect someone, then it stops our own progress. Such a powerful message is being given, and this is why Kavyas, as previously mentioned, are known as Kanta Samhitas. Instead of directly preaching, the Kavya takes us through the story so beautifully, and at one point injects a beautiful value into us. Havishe dirgha satrasya sachedanim prachetasaha bhujangapihi tadvaram patalam adhitishtati for providing oblations to the long sacrificial ceremony conducted by Lord Varuna. She, Nandini, is now living in the nether worlds whose doors are blocked by serpents. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please do like, share, subscribe and comment below this video. I will be very grateful for this gesture. And if you are interested in learning this beautiful language, Sanskritam, then please visit my website www.tatvam.org. Dhanyavadaha.